well as directors of CKC locations are people who are upbeat, positive people, energetic, great role models for their community. It is a bonus to have some experience in education, whether you're an experienced homeschool parent or a certified teacher, but even more important than the official certificate and training is your attitude, your energy level, really caring about the kids and wanting what's best for them. Our typical director for a CKC location is a mom whose kids are enrolled in the program. Maybe it's someone who was a homeschool mom previously who wants to branch out and get some community. Maybe it's someone who has a clear vision on how they can improve upon the education options in their town or what type of community they want to build for their own children. Often, the director is someone who just wanted something better for their kids, like myself. That's how I started. What I wanted for my daughter didn't exist, so I built it. And I think that often that's who's really successful running a CKC. Somebody who wants to build something that they want for their own children.